Hello everyone, welcome to Rhythm in Africa. So in this episode, we're going to look at a genre called Chimurenga, my favorite. So just like blues music evolved into other genres like jazz, rock, and pop, Zimbabwean mbira music also evolved into sungura and dendera and modern Zimbabwean music, which we just categorize as Zimpop. And the progression of this kind of music is usually 1-4-1-5, similar to the 1-4-6-5 of Western modern pop. So Zimbabwean mbira music also evolved into other deeper genres like Chimurenga and Jit. And these are a little bit more complicated because they use more complicated chord progressions, which are longer sometimes. And so the Zimpop music 1-4-1-5 chord progression is traditionally called Chamutengure. And the progression we're going to look at today for Chimurenga music is called Nemamusasa, and it looks like this. So Nemamusasa is the exact chord progression we used for the previous Mbira episode, which I suggest you go watch first. So before we start playing the music, a brief history of Chimurenga music, and we'll keep it short because it's a little bit sad. And if you need more details, I linked a Chimurenga specific video in the description. So you can think of Chimurenga as a liberation protest music, and it was first used as a way to communicate using like coded messages hidden in the music. So this was picked up and popularized by Thomas Mapfumo, who helped modernize the music by adding modern instruments like guitars, bass, and drums. And he continued using this music to express his inspirational and political ideas, which got him into exile. I'm not sure if he's out of exile yet. But anyway, if someone asks you what Chimurenga means, just tell them it's some kind of weird jazz music from Zimbabwe. That would be accurate. So let's get into the music now. So if you've noticed, I used the exact same Mbira pattern I used in the Mbira episode to show you how the Chimurenga music just evolved directly from old folk Mbira music into Chimurenga music. So at this point, I'm not really sure how much detail you need. That's why I'm keeping things simple and short. But if you need something explained in more detail, just leave it in the comments and subscribe so that you don't miss anything. I'll see you on the next one.